Data is the new oil, but it's only valuable when refined, as the Clive Hamby said. Take it like getting thousands of customers but no one return. The reason why? You don't know the relationship between them. To tackle it, you need to use data of that customers by fast and efficient digital data manipulation tool. That is Pandas from Python. Pandas is a Python library used for working with data, especially structured data like tables, spreadsheets, or databases, and use it for data manipulation, cleaning, analyzing, and virtualization. In this tutorial, we are going to learn Pandas in Python from scratch. Let's get started. To use Pandas, you're required to know basics on Python. Don't get worried on coding skills. These videos on this channel takes your Python skills to the next level. First of all, you start by installing Pandas effectively. Make sure you install the Python in your computer, otherwise do it. And you connected on the internet to download it. By opening command prompt and then type pipe install Pandas. Alternatively, do it as well in Jupyter Notebook by simply type pipe install Pandas, but you start with this exclamation mark. Moreover, I'm recommend you to install Anaconda that come up with all libraries you need and install the ones. Get full guide by watch this video. Alright, now already Pandas has been already installed. Let's import Pandas as PD. This is the alias name that almost used in the source code. Now we can check the version by simply write pd dot underscore underscore version underscore underscore. This is the attribute of Pandas. Now this attribute is going to help us to see the version of Pandas which installed in our machine, which is 2.2.3. Thirdly, Pandas arrange data in series and data frame for effective manipulation of that data. Series is like table of a single column. Data frame is like a row and columns table. If you want to learn how to use Jupyter Notebook, watch this video. See you soon on next video after install Pandas in your laptop.